Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Look what I found today. Duck and Roll Hot Wheels. So this is a look-alike rubber ducky vehicle. You can see from the front and the side. And on the back has kind of like a engine with a fan. But it's new for 2020. And I will open up so that you can see what it looks like out of the package. Here it is, the Duck and Roll out of the package. Rolls well, pretty low to the ground. Very smooth on the plastic. Nice bright yellow. But very neat Hot Wheels to have. Bet any kid or adult who likes rubber duckies would like this as a Hot Wheels. Simple base. And here's that plastic looking orange engine. But here it is, the Duck and Roll Hot Wheels that just came out in 2020. Thank you for watching.